Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Event Viewer immediately. Press Windows key plus X or type Event Viewer in Start and run it as administrator. Once done, expand Windows logs on the left so you see Application, Security, and System. This matters because different issues appear in different logs. Make sure to right-click and choose Refresh if logs look outdated. You'll need administrative rights to view some entries, so confirm your account has permissions before proceeding to filtering and analysis. You now focus on finding the relevant events using filtering and search. Click a log, then choose Filter Current Log, set levels like Error or Warning, pick a date range, or enter the event ID you were told about. Once filtered, click an event and read the General and Details tabs to understand the how and why. General explains the problem, Details gives structured data for diagnostics. If you'll repeat this search, make a custom view so you don't rebuild filters each time. You finish by analyzing and preserving evidence. Open an event, copy the full text, or choose Save Selected Events to export an evtext file for sharing. Once done, you can create a task scheduler action from an event to automate responses or attach a custom view to streamline monitoring. If nothing appears when you expect events, check that Windows Event Log service is running, confirm disk space and log size limits, and then restart the service before rechecking entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.